over to Vivek now. He's at the big wall with the top stock movers. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. Another session where, especially if you're looking at the market, it's very, very strong in favor of the advances. A lot of stocks on the radar today. First on our list, Medi Assist, a very interesting acquisition by the company, strategic acquisition. Stock ending higher, almost 7.5%. Stock was much higher, but cooled off a little bit in the second half of the second. The second stock on the radar is CESE. Now, this particular stock, remember, we highlighted yesterday as well that the management had gone ahead and met quite a lot of sell-side analysts over the weekend. The stock today higher by 10% after the up move that we saw yesterday. Two stocks from the Tata Group stable as far as the mid-cap IT space is concerned. Tata Elxsi, almost 16% higher in this particular name, and the other stock, of course, was Tata Tech, an overhang of a strategic seller doing a clean-out trade. That is something that aided the up move as far as Tata Technologies is concerned. Now, the next stock on the radar is ABB India. Very interesting note coming in from Axis Capital. After the recent sell-off that the stock saw post the results, they did a double upgrade on the stock, ending higher by close to 1.5%. REC, again, newspaper reports are indicating that there could be some relief coming in as far as the draft financing norms are concerned, and the stock ended higher by almost 4.5% on the back of this particular report. Now, on the other hand, quite a few laggards. One that you mentioned earlier in the show was Titan, like you mentioned, high PE stocks as well as select consumer names today seeing a bit of selling pressure. Minda Corp, this particular stock, after a while saw a bit of selling pressure, top laggard as far as the Nifty 500 or the NSE 500 is concerned. And also Syngene, this particular stock saw witness selling pressure throughout the trading session, top laggard as far as the mid-cap index was concerned, and even within the F&O space was amongst the top laggards.
Thank you very much for that. Let's